Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I've been wanting to do this video for so long, so I thought I would do a little sketchbook tour. So basically, if you know me, you know I've never been good at keeping a sketchbook. In fact, I've been horrendous at keeping a sketchbook. But I've been seeing, like, a few years ago I saw so many like artists do sketchbooks and they just looked so nice. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna try to do a sketchbook. So these last few months I've literally been enjoying sketching so much. So this is my little sketchbook. I've got some cute little stickers on here. Yeah, so I've been enjoying sketching literally so much. Like, it's like my favorite thing to do now. So I've been doing that. So yeah, I want to show you my sketchbook and we'll just have a little look and you can see what I've been up to in there. Okay guys, so this is my little sketchbook. I think this is a oh no, I was gonna say this is a moleskin, but I don't think it is. It's this paper chase. But it has like a similar kind of feel. So when I actually first started this sketchbook, you'll see what I'm talking about, but I was like really precious with my drawings, so I almost don't really feel like these could be considered sketches because I was still kind of sitting down and spending kind of quite a significant amount of time drawing these pieces. So these were like the earlier pieces that I did in this book, like this, and you can see like they have like a sketchy element to them, but they're not like really sketchy, if you know what I mean. Like this as well, and then all this random stuff. And then I started to be like, okay, I'm gonna do a little challenge, and I kind of challenged myself to do drawings in a set amount of time, and this was the first one. So my challenge was kind of to do sketches that took under 5 minutes. So this is one, and this is probably actually my favorite one that I've done. Like, I really love this one. And for the sketches I've been using biro and my alcohol markers. And then this one I did, and I absolutely hate this. Like, oh my god, I can't stand this one. It just went wrong. Like, everything about it just went wrong, and it was kind of like, you know, like when you do those pieces and it's like you just keep adding to it, and the more you add to it the worse it gets. So that is that. And then I did this one, which I really like this flowery one. And I have been enjoying doing these so much because I'm kind of quite a I'm not going to say I'm a perfectionist, but when I do my drawings, or in the past when I've done my drawings, I've always made them like as perfect as I possibly can. Like, and I don't give myself the chance to sketch. I kind of just draw it really neatly in pencil first, and then I'll go over it in my fine liner, and I don't really allow myself to be free with my work, if you know what I mean. Like, there's always like a rigidness. I mean, I wouldn't say that my work's rigid, but there's always a rigidness in the way that I work. So this has been really fun for me to do. And it also just keeps me really creative because I don't always feel like doing like a full-on like big art piece, especially not at the moment. I don't really have as much time as I used to, so these just keep me happy. This one I really like. This one I did at a comic convention while I was sitting down. And there's this one, and then this one I really like as well. It has like a nice little aura kind of vibe. So yeah guys, I would recommend, like, if you're ever experiencing like art blocks, or if you're feeling like kind of stuck, or like things aren't really looking how you want, if you can get a sketchbook, I would highly recommend it, just to allow yourself to like loosen up a little bit and just try some new stuff. I just really like the freedom that it gives you. These ones I really like as well, like the side profile. Honestly, drawing side profiles is my favourite. And I absolutely love doing like sci-fi looking stuff. I try not to do it too much because I feel like the people that follow my work don't enjoy it as much as like my prettier stuff, like of fairies and mermaids. Sorry about the noise, the window's open. This is like my other favorite sketch. I don't know why I like this one so much, but you know when you just like draw something and it just works and you're just like, yes, like it just works. I like this one too. So yeah, I do just love a bit of sci-fi and like aliens. these as well. Oh, this one. And this one. So these ones were so much fun to do. I really like this one too. And the materials that I use when I do these kind of vary. Like, I try to just keep it as loose as possible. So I usually just go straight in with like a fine liner or a biro. And then I colour with my alcohol markers. Sorry guys, my camera battery ran out, so I had to go charge it and I'm back. I don't even remember what I was saying now. But that's okay. We'll just keep having a little look through. So these ones I started trying to do something a little bit different again, which is like including more clothing and more like body kind of. And this one was really fun. This was like for one of my patron classes where we took inspiration from something and then turned it into a character. I really like this one too. Oh, this was for another patron class, which was taking inspiration from this and then turning it into a drawing. This one I don't like at all, so we're not even going to look at that one. But I guess that's the beauty of sketchbooks, is you can just, you know, have fun, and things are not always going to work out the way you want them to, and that's kind of the point. So if there's a place to do that, it's in here. And then this one, which I kind of like, kind of don't. And then I started doing some mermaid sketches in here, which I really liked. Like this one I was so happy with. But annoyingly I didn't really keep up with it, but I kind of find it hard to stick to things like that. And then there's this one, which I really, really liked. This one. I always really love mermaid, but it always takes a lot for me to actually participate in it. Honestly, I'm just really bad at sticking to things. To be honest, I don't even know how I made an oracle deck or a tarot deck because I'm so impatient. And then there was this one, which I also really like. And I'm literally trying to get through this really fast because the camera battery is about to run out again. There's this one. And this one. And this was for another one of my patron classes. And then we have another mermaid piece. And then I did this at Comic-Con just for fun. Then I did a little like Darth Maul sketch because honestly I just love Star Wars. I just love Darth Maul. He just looks so cool. I just love that character design. So I wanted to have a go at sketching. And then I did a little alien. Aliens are like my other favourite thing to draw. And then this is the most recent sketch. Ta-da! And I think that's everything. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my little sketchbook tour and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!